Yun ang kailangan mo lagi. Need mo mag-burp. Yes.
Where's Opa's dimple?
Eh. Gusto dumede. Tingnan mo.
Sa'yo talaga siya humingit eh.
Dila tayo. Where is Opa? Where is Opa? I'm here, Daddy. I'm here, Daddy. How are you this morning? How are you this morning? I'm good, Daddy. I'm good, Daddy. Yes po. Ano yun? Explain mo kay Daddy, how can I understand?
Did you sleep well?
Explain mo. Explain yourself. Hindi kita naiintindihan pa. Love mo si Daddy kaysa kay Mami. Gusto dumede. Tingnan mo natin. Go na.
Madumi yan.
Ano madumi?
No, Opa,
Try na.
no. Oh, Daddy, no. Ay, Daddy. May naglalaroan mo daw siya.
Ayun na gusto.
Your daddy. Opa, ha? Your daddy, pinipitripan ka.
Tingnan lang natin. Kung ano mo.
Baka nang may boobs. Punch daddy. Punch daddy.
Uy, dede. Oh, nakadila. Oo. Yes. Si Mami magtatampo na naman. Nagkakwento ka kay Daddy. Oo. Ay, dapat hindi magtampo si Mami. Oh, hindi na. Oh. Ayan, nakaupo ka naman. Ayos
Like a
dyan.
basa. Like a basa. Like a basa, baby. Oh. Like a basa. You like a boss?
Ayan, good dream ka na, right? Right? Yun ang kailangan mo lagi. Need mo mag-burp. Kasi pag di ka nagba-burp, anak, nananakit tummy mo. Yes. Kaya dapat after mo magdede, burp agad. Okay? Opo. Yes, I know you can understand. You're very... Oh.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You always pray. Okay? Pray ka agad. Pray. Pray. Okay po.
Oh, so sweet my Opa. Daddy, you're talking.
Yes.
Sabi you're sleeping.
Wala eh. Ano kayo? Yes. Kasi kay Mami, dede ka lang. Ano lasa ng nipple ng Mami? Yes, we both know. Yes. Yes. You're in the right. Kung may nagdedede, I'm in the left naman. Kaya sometimes your head is in my head, right?
Yes.
Like that?
Iswell na naman yung baby na yan.
Where is Opa? Where is Opa? I'm here, Mommy. I'm here, Mommy. How are you this morning? How are you this morning? I'm good, Mommy. I'm good, Mommy.
You're so cute. Paul, go. Where's Opa's dimple?
Where?
Where?
Where? Show mo. Daddy has.
What?
Daddy has a dimple. Dapat si Opa meron din.
Do you have a dimple? Show us your dimple.
Ate Ola has dimple?
Yes. Mommy has dimple? No.
You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin.
Hi guys, hindi ko napapakita to kasi alam niyo naman na 18 years old up lang po, nasa comment section. And mamimigay lang tayo syempre sa mga nakishare. And sa laging nagre-register. So alam nyo na yan, nasa comment section 18 years old up lang. Tandaan mo, kung ayaw mo, wag. Kung gusto mo, nasa comment section.